Hello, welcome back guys to Sport Area channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable Disney Plus notifications on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly, if you wanna enable or if you wanna activate the Disney Plus notifications, just go ahead to your settings here from the devices and now scroll it down until you found out here the apps options. Tap on it and scroll it down again until we found out the Disney Plus applications. Here I'm gonna tap on it on this Disney Plus. Now go ahead to this notifications options and turn on the toggle beside the allow notifications options like this until it's turned green. When it's turned green, which means the notifications from your Disney Plus is activated or enabled, I guess, in this one. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.